Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your store name in Shopify. First things first, we want to create ourselves an account at shopify.com or log into our existing account. Since we are here, we are greeted with our workspace and we have a couple of options in here. Home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and apps. What we really want to do, we want to go to the way down to the left bottom corner and click on settings. Once we're at settings, as you can see, we have tons of options to micromanage our store, but we want to go to the first one. We want to go to general. And straight away, as you can see, store name is Mark Stoney. We can go and change it with, for example, we can replace A with 4 and we press save. Settings saved. Once we reopen the store, you can see our store name is changed. We can go back and click save again. So yeah, that's about it. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.